Laurentia Lombard, the state's main witness, has been on an emotional roller coaster during her cross-examination. She implicated Kelly Smith and the two other accused in the disappearance of her daughter Jocelyn. But Lombard has on several occasions conceded to errors in statements she originally gave the police. These pertain to events, times and locations regarding Jocelyn's disappearance.
To answer one, in your confession you said to the captain with the grey hair that Kelly and Boeta went to the road and waited for the motor, and I'll get to the type of motor it is later. Why? Then the confession, and then months later you say it was just Kelly and Jocelyn.
It was die mekaar gewees, my lord.
Okay.
I was confused, my lord.
Okay.
Lombard was asked about her earlier testimony, where she said she witnessed Smith walking with Jocelyn to a woman in a white polo.
But what you told her was that you went home. You could see everything and hear everything from the rocks.
Maar wat u vir haar vertel is dat u kon alles hoor en sien van die rotse af.
With reference to what was happening at the polo.
En wat gebeurde daar by die polo?
Can you remember that?
Kan u dit onthou?
That's correct, my lord.
That's correct, my lord.
Was that true?
Was dit die waarheid geweest?
Nee, my lord.
No, my lord.
So, did you then lie to Captain Sillier?
Het u dan aan kaptein Sillier leuns vertel?
That's correct, my lord.
That's correct, my lord.
Lombard's cross-examination continues on Monday. Aisha Ismail, Saldanha Bay.